Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, beautiful conditions to start the day out. The temperatures in the 70s will get close to 80 degrees for a daytime high today, so very comfortable for this time of year. Looking across the region yesterday, we saw temperatures generally running in the 80s for daytime highs, 88 degrees at Newport News, 84 degrees here at Wallops. A little cooler off to our north. You can see Ocean City coming in with 80 degrees. It's their daytime high, 81 degrees in Baltimore. Overnight last night, temperatures in the 60s and 70s. For overnight low temperature reports, 62 degrees in Baltimore, 69 degrees at our nation's capital. We were at 68 degrees for an overnight low temperature here at Wallops. Over the past 24 hours, everybody remaining dry with the exception of Dover. We saw an isolated shower just kind of sit right over their reporting station, dropping about 2 inches of rain, coming in with 2.01 inches in the last 24 hours. As of 9 a.m., temperatures running in the 70s under mostly cloudy skies. Here at Wallops, we were at 75 degrees under mostly cloudy conditions. Looking at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, those winds out of a southeasterly direction at the low levels of the atmosphere becoming northerly and eventually westerly in direction as we go up in height up to that 25,000 foot level, where we see a wind out of the west at 19 knots. Freezing level this morning was at 16,800 feet. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, that frontal boundary is well off to our south with high pressure in control of our weather today, just off to our north, creating a easterly flow to our winds and really keeping our temperatures very cool today, with temperatures right now running in the upper 70s. We were at 77 degrees as of 10 a.m. and we're going to continue to see those temperatures just kind of steady out in the upper 70s as we go through the remainder of the day. May reach right around 80 degrees for a daytime high, but again, very comfortable conditions for the end of July. Looking at our satellite radar composite, you can see just a little bit of shower activity off to our northeast. As those showers make their way down along the eastern seaboard, we have seen most of them dry up before they get to the Wallops region, and we're going to continue to see some showers just off to our northeast, and just a very slight chance of one of those rain showers making it into the Wallops region today. About a 10% or less chance of seeing any kind of rain activity here. Not looking at any kind of lightning threat for us out of these showers, as it should be fairly weak as they come through. And if we do get anything at all, it should just be a very quick isolated shower that moves through the region. Looking at our forecast maps for the next couple of days, you can see a little bit of light rain activity showing up on the forecast model product here off to our northeast for the midday period, and I think those slight chances will last until about 3 o'clock this afternoon for any light rain activity here at Wallops. And then as we go into the evening hours tonight, we'll see mostly cloudy skies becoming partly cloudy overnight, with very comfortable conditions with temperatures falling into the upper 60s for overnight low temperatures. As we go into the day on Thursday, we'll see mostly cloudy skies, generally with that upper level cirrus cloudiness in store for Thursday, but we should remain dry throughout almost the entire day on Thursday, as we'll see a little more humid conditions as well, as that area of high pressure shifts off the coast and we see more of a southerly wind flow. As we go into the Thursday evening time frame, we'll see a system begin to get its act together off to the west and start to approach the mid-Atlantic coast, bringing a chance of some showers and thunderstorms by late Thursday night into early Friday. Then a better chance as we go into the day on Friday, is pretty strong area low pressure for this time of year will be making its way across the region. So seeing a pretty good chance again of some shower and thunderstorm activity on Friday, especially into the later portions of the day on Friday, as we'll see a possibility of some strong thunderstorms, heavy rainfall, and some frequent lightning as well as those storms move through the area. So taking a look at our next 24 hours, you can see temperatures really comfortable for today, with a high temperature expected right around 80 degrees. As we go into the evening hours tonight, we'll see a little decrease in cloudiness with temperatures falling into the upper 60s, going with 68 degrees for an overnight low temperature tonight. And as we wake up tomorrow morning, should see temperatures right around 70 degrees with very comfortable conditions for Thursday morning, and then we'll see temperatures warming up as we go into the day into the low to mid 80s. Winds currently out of the east at 5 to 10 knots. We're going to see those winds keep that onshore component throughout the day today. Pretty light out of the east-southeast this afternoon at 5 to 10 knots, becoming more southerly in direction as we go into the evening and overnight hours tonight, down to 3 to 6 knots after midnight. And as we wake up tomorrow morning, we'll see a light wind out of the south-southeast at 4 to 8 knots. Again, only precipitation chance today will be during the late morning and early afternoon hours. Very slight chance, about 10% of seeing a light rain shower or a sprinkle. As we go into the next couple of days, again, more humid conditions expected for Thursday with a daytime high of 83. Then we see a likely chance of some showers and thunderstorms by late Thursday night. See an overnight low temperature of 73, and then a pretty likely chance once again Friday. Looks like at this point in time we should see about 2 different time periods where we'll see a pretty good chance of some showers and thunderstorms. The first will be late Thursday night and Friday morning, and then the next will be late Friday afternoon into the evening hours, and that's when we'll probably see our biggest threat for severe weather in the area Friday late in the day as those showers and thunderstorms come through the region. Could see some heavy rainfall and some frequent lightning with these storms on Friday. So looking at a daytime high on Friday of 85 degrees, and as we go into the weekend, we'll see a little cooler conditions expected for Saturday as that area of low pressure begins to move over the region. Looking again for more humid conditions on Friday, and then we'll see winds possibly turn more out of a northerly direction late in the day on Saturday. So any kind of thunderstorm activity looks like probably will be more likely during the first half of the day on Saturday, but still could see some rain shower activity into the latter portion of the day on Saturday as that low moves along the eastern seaboard and out to sea. Looking at a daytime high of 80 degrees on Saturday with 82 degrees expected on Sunday, with more sunshine in the forecast for the latter portion of our weekend as that front moves off the coast and high pressure builds in behind it. So if you have any plans for the weekend, probably try to shoot for the end of the weekend if you have any outdoor activities, as that looks like the better part of the weekend now as we go into Sunday. Start the work week next week, we'll see temperatures in the low to mid 80s, 83 on Monday for a daytime high, and 85 degrees expected on Tuesday. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 for our short-term weather forecast and then our extended look at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.